Get ready to meet the 2025 Lexus Motorhome. That's right, Lexus is stepping into the high-end motorhome market, blending its signature luxury with the practicality of a fully equipped mobile living space. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the road in absolute comfort while turning heads along the way, this might just be the ultimate vehicle for you. Let's explore everything this high-class motorhome has to offer. At first glance, the Lexus Motorhome exudes sophistication. Lexus has taken its well-known design language, sleek lines, bold grilles, and applied it to a motorhome format. It's not just about aesthetics. Aerodynamics play a crucial role here, improving efficiency and stability on the highway. Unlike traditional boxy RVs, this one has a more refined, streamlined look that feels more like a luxury SUV stretched into a high-end home on wheels. Now, let's talk about what powers this beast. Lexus has equipped it with a hybrid powertrain, combining a smooth V6 engine with electric assistance to improve fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating steep mountain roads, the motorhome delivers ample power while maintaining the refined driving dynamics Lexus is known for. Plus, with advanced adaptive suspension, it smooths out bumps, making long road trips feel effortless. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that screams Lexus luxury. Premium leather seats, handcrafted wood trims, and ambient lighting set the mood. The cabin is designed to feel spacious and modern with a layout that maximizes comfort. You get a full-size bed, a compact but functional kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and even a smart bathroom with a rainfall shower. Lexus has also integrated its latest technology, including a voice-controlled AI assistant and a 360-degree panoramic glass roof, giving you breathtaking views from wherever you park. Entertainment and connectivity are also top-notch. A massive OLED display serves as the central hub for infotainment, while an advanced surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience. There's built-in Wi-Fi, multiple charging ports, and even a retractable outdoor entertainment system, perfect for movie nights under the stars. Safety, as always with Lexus, is a priority. The motorhome comes with the Lexus Safety System Suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even a driver fatigue monitoring system, because long drives require extra attention to safety. So what does all this luxury on wheels cost? While Lexus hasn't released official pricing yet, industry estimates suggest a starting price of around $200,000, depending on customization options. It's definitely an investment, but for those seeking a 5-star travel experience on the road, it's hard to beat. What do you think about the idea of a Lexus motorhome? Would you take this on a cross-country adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into high-end vehicles, you won't want to miss our next review. It's a big one. Stay tuned to Auto Insider for more in-depth looks at the latest and greatest in the automotive world. See you next time.